But talk to me about some of the nuances about when this interim cover starts, because I know different insurers have different kind of start dates for the interim cover.
Yeah, definitely. It actually does vary quite a bit. So some insurance companies, they'll cover you onto interim cover as soon as they've received your application and the payment details. Whereas some insurers will require you to have filled out the personal statement or done the tele interview, which is where they ask you a bunch of questions about your medical history and occupation. So it does vary depending on the insurance company.
Yeah, which is interesting because some insurance company, well, at the moment, there's one insurance company that's taking over a month to be able to book in a tele interview. And so, yeah, some insurers will, only start the interim cover then, which, places extra risk, on those clients going through there. Is there any other differences or nuances between different insurers that is worth kind of addressing?
Yeah, there are. So, for example, there are a couple of insurance companies where interim cover doesn't apply if you already have cover that you're replacing. So, if you kind of adequately covered, let's say, with an insurance policy, but you're taking out a new one because it's going to be cheaper, if something happens to you in that interim period, the expectation is that you just rely on the cover that you already have and they wouldn't offer you the intro. Other insurers would reduce what they pay you by the cover that you already have. So that's another thing that can happen as well.